Hello, welcome to this video. This is a Sargent 6-pin challenge lock that I received from Phil, and his name on UK Lock Sports and on YouTube is that. He sent it to me with these keys there. These keys are still mummified. And actually this lock was made by Selim, he said. So I tried to pick it, and I could open it 3 times now. And so let's try to pick it now on camera. It's locked up. Apply light tension. I use this hook here, DeForest half diamond from Peterson. Yeah, apply light tension and check the pins from 1 to 6 in that order. So the second pin gave me a rotation on the plug. Seem to be all springy. Work my way back to the front and touch pin 4, I think. Got an even better turn on the core. Now it gives me counter rotation. Okay, it's probably serrated. Okay, was pin 3, I think. That gave me a good full set now. Pin 2, nothing. Oh, I click on pin 2, yes, also serrated. Maybe another. Okay, lost my full set, so check all the pins again. On pin 1. Yeah, I can get my full set back. Yeah. Okay, got it back. Check again every pin. Starting at pin 1. Okay, got a good full set now again. All seem to be set. Okay, get feed break from 1. Okay, need a deeper hook. Okay, take that one. Doesn't want to go. Oh, and open? Open or not? Yeah, it's open. Alright, opened on pin 1. Okay, let's try to gut it. Oh, first the keys. Oops. That's the bidding on the key. Quite good bidding. Alright, so open and locked. Again, check that the key works. Oh, yeah, key works. A little bit stiff sometimes. Okay, but works. So let's open it up. Ooh. Okay. Okay, and the follower. Okay. Pardon? Yeah. Okay, everything's all right. All 6 pins are in. Okay, take my pinning board. Angle it a little bit. Okay. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. From the color of the pinning board, you can see that I have not yet dealt with so many 6-pin locks. I will show you the pins just in a moment and a close-up view. Just let me align them a little bit. Okay. Seems there are driver pins used as key pins. Okay. Oops. That's a spool on pin 1. Standard spool. Another spool. Spool-like pin on number 2. Same on number 3. Then we have 4, the same type. 5 is a normal spool. And 6. Oh, 6 doesn't want to go out. Oh, 6 seems to be frozen. So it was actually a 5-pin lock that I picked. You can see, stuck in the chamber here. Okay, I have to unscrew here that position number 6, and then I can remove the pin. Okay, so that's a good opportunity to make a short break, and I will be back with all the pins. Alright, I could successfully remove the last pin here from the chamber of the Bible. And before we look at the pins, let's have a closer look to the chambers. Here in the Bible you see all the chambers are threaded. And also if you look at the plug, all chambers are threaded. Not countermilled, but threaded. Alright, let's have a look at the pins. So this is stack 1. We have a serrated key pin and a shell spool here as driver pin. Position 2 we have a standard key pin and a barrel driver pin. 3 we have a very small serrated pin that is actually not a key pin but used as key pin, and a barrel driver pin. Next we have a serrated key pin and a barrel driver pin. Then position 5, we have a standard key pin and a normal spool as driver. And the last position, that is the driver pin that was stuck in the chamber, is a barrel pin. And again, this smaller serrated pin that is used as a key pin. And we have lots of different springs here, or at least 2 different kind of springs, and unfortunately I lost 2 springs. Okay, so that's basically it for the SARGENT challenge lock. Thank you very much for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.